In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write in Substack. First, you'll want to head over to substack.com and log into your account. If you're new to Substack, you'll need to create an account first, but for those of you who already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. Once you're logged in, locate the dashboard drop-down menu in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this menu, and from the list of options, choose the publication for which you intend to write. Selecting your publication will lead you to your dashboard, which acts as the main hub for managing your posts and audience. To get started on a new piece, you'll want to click the New Post button. This button is typically found in the top right or under the Post section of your dashboard. After clicking it, you'll be prompted to select the type of post you wish to create. Substack offers multiple formats such as text, note, podcast, or even video posts. Choose the format that best suits your content needs. Now that you've picked a format, you'll enter the editor. This is where the magic happens. Begin by adding a title to your post. The title is crucial because it sets the subject and tone for what follows. Once you've settled on a captivating title, move on to writing your main content. Whether you're crafting an article or sharing a story, simply type or paste your content into the main body area of the editor. Enhancing your post with media is easy. Use the toolbar at the top of the editor to add or embed images, videos, and other media types. You can directly paste links from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or Instagram to embed their content seamlessly. This can greatly enrich the visual appeal and engage your readers further. Next, pay attention to formatting. The toolbar offers various options to format your text. You can use bold, italics, lists, or quotes either through the toolbar or by utilizing markdown shortcuts. Additionally, you can insert buttons like subscribe to encourage reader interaction and to grow your audience. Once your content is ready, click on continue. Here, you can set any relevant tags to categorize your post efficiently. Decide who can comment on your post and whether the content will be available for free or behind a paywall. Finally, to publish your masterpiece, simply click send to everyone. This will release your content to your subscriber list immediately. Alternatively, if you're orchestrating a more strategic release, you can choose to schedule the post for a later time. And that's it. Writing and sharing on Substack is a straightforward process designed to let you focus on delivering great content. Thank you for watching and happy writing.